Photoshop 6 tutorial, and in this video I'm going to display you about Photoshop tools. So Photoshop tools can be categorized as follows. The first one is view, select, enhance, control, and modify. So overall, the complete these tools I have categorized into view, select, enhance, draw, and modify. So here is the complete chart. You can see, so under the view, here you can see this is zoom and hand tool, and then under the select tools, these are the things, and under the enhance, these are the things, these are the tools which will be included. So as you can see that so these are the tools under enhance, and then this side also. So you can see, so these are the categories that we will cover in this video tutorial. Now first we will see this zoom tool. So under view there is zoom tool. So where is zoom tool? Here you can see in your tool, this one is zoom tool, this one is called zoom tool. So let me show you with real Photoshop that how we can use this zoom tool. Just open Photoshop, let me open, just find any photo. Save it. I save the photo into my desktop. Now open, let's go to here and okay, let me close this. Alright, so now press Z key. Okay, then you can see this tool. If you press Z, then you can see my cursor has changed. You can see this one. So if you click here, then you can see the image is zooming out, and here also you can see the percentage, how much percentage it is zooming. So as you keep pressing, so this is the final zoom. Now if you want to zoom in, then press this minus tool, this one. So if you check this plus one, then it will zoom out, and this minus, that means it will zoom in. So currently I've taken zoom in. So finally it went up to 0 point something. That means it's very small. So using this tool you can either zoom out or you can zoom in. So that's the tool. Apart from that, you can also use the keyboard shortcut. So what you have to do is that I will take help of this virtual keyboard so that you can understand better. So press Ctrl from your one hand, press Ctrl from your one hand and keep pressing, and then this plus sign. Okay, Control key, press from left side, left hand finger, and then press this one. Let me select this. You can see, okay, it is. So from your left hand side, this one, keep pressing, okay, and then you click this, this one, and if you press minus, then it will zoom in. So it is more convenient while you will be working on any photo or any project, then pressing, keep holding left hand side and then press this plus. You don't have to use this virtual keyboard. I'm showing you this because I can't show you my keyboard, that's why, so that you can understand. Okay, you use your real keyboard. Okay, so that's it in this video, that you saw that how you can zoom in and zoom out your photo. And it's very important because in any project you need to zoom out or zoom in to clearly see the photo. So that's it in this video, and stay connected and see you in the next video. Bye bye.